So, at the very outset, on behalf of Blue Songramantho, I would like to convey my hearty respect to all the respected persons. We, the Blue Songramantho, along with our branch organization like Chudri, Blue Chudrimtho, Blue Joantho, and Blue Brimtho, as well as Blue Kormocharimtho, we have visited the North Tripura. We have come here on 16 December 2024 regarding we have discussed here regarding rubber execution of rubber plantation under the Chief Minister Rubber Mission. We have organized a awareness program yesterday at the Kanchanpur Town Hall, and good numbers of participants have presented, and the Honorable TRPC Chairman Madam Patalkunya has also presented, as well as the Center Sponsor Scheme Deputy Director has also presented there, and we have discussed deliberately and elaborately regarding implementation of the rubber plantation as well as skill development also. So yesterday we heard that at Kanchanpur PS our traditional wedding ceremony has been has started be organized, and good numbers of wine and alcohol has been carried by the bridegroom party, and Kanchanpur PS has arrested and prevented to them to carry the alcohol and the wine. But in this context, I would like to request to all the administration parties to exemption in regards to the prevention and protection of the wine as well as alcohol, as because since 1 to Tom and Kernan to grab, we have carried, we have used, we have to arrange wine as well as the alcohol in context of the wedding ceremony, for which yesterday what happened we have heard. It is very misery, and we have highly condemned it, and in this context we have decided to submit a memorandum addressing to the DG regarding exemption of the contest. So I would like to request all the administration party to kindly to exempt it to us regarding carrying of the wine as well as the alcohol in context of wedding ceremony. Thank you.